guys, welcome to another video about business automation. In this video, I will show you how you can retrieve or scanning your hubs from the Yahoo Sport website. For example, I have all these odds and I want to process these odds right to my Excel file. I want to do this at least in regular intervals of 5 minutes, right? So what I must doing if it is manually. Okay, you must go here and control copy everything, right? But you can get good results, or you can programming API, something like that, right? But what I will show you is a way very quickly where you know RPA automation, business process automation, and create that very easy and very quickly. So imagine I have these odds in my Excel in the end, right? Okay, the end of this is so easy, and I will show you. For example, in the end of the video, you will see the image, right, with all the odds snapshot. We'll see the file of the text file and the Excel odds, right, which will be with all the odds. Currently, I don't have any, right? So let's do it, okay? Let's process it. I will clean this and only give a stay or not delete that guy, right? So let's see it exactly what happens next. Okay, guys, I will show you our important RPA, robotic process in Power Automate desktop. So the first subflow, in the main flow, I have two flows, right? The get odds, what the get odds will do it. And don't forget, I have some input variables here, right? The first variable I have is the D, where I must process all my documents. Okay, I will retrieve a snapshot and keep it there. So it's good practices you perform inputs. Okay, if you don't know exactly how to do this, so easy then you go here, okay, in this guy, in this button, and press input. After that, you can choose the type of data you want, right? Text, number, boolean, custom object, list, and data table, correct? So easy then. So for now, I don't want. If you want the output, is the same way, right? So keep it simple. And you have also another menu where you see all the variables inside your flow, right? In this part here. If you want, you can clear the values. You see it, all the values are clear. So if I run my process, it will fill that values. You see it? Okay, now I'm going to Yahoo and make a process onto you to see the variables there, okay? Because the guy has retrieving, like I said to you, is retrieving the odds. Okay, so now I will make a pause here and I will show you the steps until now. You see it, the variables fill, right? So it's amazing. You can debug. To do the debug, you put a breakpoint. Breakpoint means a break, right? A break in sum. It's only click in the mouse. In the right, okay? In the mouse, you click it, okay? So the first step is launch a new Chrome, okay? A new browser window. Generate a random number. Why? Because I want a file, aleatory file, right? I don't want to use the same name in the file, okay? After that, I have a variable to make a set behind what? Behind the I will open this guy. Okay, it is in break because, okay, I will stop it. So I will show you this variable is the file location, okay, where I have the dir is directory, the input, and the file name, right, and .jpg, right? So after that, I take a snapshot from that local location, or sorry, I take the screenshot of the page, right? A specific element here. Okay, let's see the element. You go Y element here, you see it, Y element, and put inside of this, you have the element we will catch, right? So it's so easy then. I will catch the div, right, guys? And I can, for example, show you, you can manage that in that way, right? You have these elements. This is the element where you can, for example, use and program what you want, right? For this case, I am using all this guy, okay, all this content, right? But you can imagine I am using the ID where is call one links odds proxy, right? If you want by title, you make your condition here and your selector. This is the name of this is selectors. Okay, you can edit the selectors. The selectors meaning where you have a page or element in a page, you can use that element because that elements in particular in some web page are divs are HTML elements. Okay, so at least you must try to, if you want web scraping, try read a little bit about the HTML. Okay, in Canteen.net, I have a big introductory course to HTML5, and at least is the last version of HTML. Okay, so don't forget, the Elementors is giving me that. Okay, so I select call odds proxy. Okay, in my browser, right? So let's continue about. After that, if get odds finish, okay, I close the window in the browser, right? After that, it runs the subflow. That subflow in particular has what? Extract data from snapshot. Is that the does what I tell you? If the file exists, right, I go in the files and retrieve the files where the name match with JPEG. Okay, extract that this that is for the factor. I will run everything right, make a loop here to retrieve all file. But uh, after this is the most important. I will extract the text with OCR, right? OCR meaning optical character recognizer. In the Power Automate desktop, you have two engines, the TerraSAC engine and the Windows OCR engine. Okay, so guys, in another video I will explain the difference between these two optical character recognizers. Optical character recognizers is the way you can catch some text to image in the text or values characters in some image and retrieve it to have that in some values in text. Okay, so the OCR needs a source where I put the image in the file. You can use the screen, the foreground window, or for example, for this case, I will the file which is the snapshot with as be taken in the last flow, right, in the localization snapshot. And you can perform the engine setting, saying, okay, I will using Windows or another language. Okay, and this is something related with another video I will explain. Okay, so guys, until now, okay, if you like it, please subscribe and share with your friends this. So After this, I have wait 10 seconds. I don't know why, so I will disable. Okay, it's possible, like I show you, disable the actions and enable it in your flow, right? After that, if you see here, I have run to flow, right, Excel. What means that? Means I will perform a subflow in this, okay? Where again you can have subflows in this or inside your workflows put another subflows and so on. So in this particular case, I will write to Excel. So I launch Excel, read the text from the file. If the text, okay, I read in for each in line by line, right? If the line are, this is important too. If the line is greater than 1, meaning as value, right? So if the line is empty, is value, but value is 0 or less, right? In this is less. So after that, uh, I save the Excel and close that Excel. Okay, so let's see this run. Let's put everything works in that way. So this is our odds retriever RPA, robotic retriever odds. Or give me in comments the name for this kind of guy, because I don't know exactly the name. I will must call it. So if you see here, this guy are uh, only a second. I will show you, because it's performing operations in the Excel. You see it? So now is putting in Excel the operations here is from the Yahoo website. Okay, all these are the guy has written the odds to the Excel. That is amazing, right? You see it. This is amazing. So guys, for today, I don't have more to show you, but I hope you liked this kind of series about RPA automation. And in the next videos, I will show you the terror stack, the difference, and make you a better business automation guy. Okay, and in the next week, I will launch the ebook, or if you want buy a book, okay, in the next days I will give you more details about it. Okay, stay tuned, stay with me, and this guy are processing at least 100 data. So let's see in the Excel now if our data, okay, I will show you exactly what meanings are. I will put base it in the sorry, the view extra large icons. No, I will use another view, for example. Where is it? Okay, so now it's bzzz, but let's see it. The first, the snapshot, okay, is here. Okay, all the data. The guy retrieved all the data from right from the site. You see it all. After that, we have the data in a text file, right? And after this, we will have all the data in the Excel itself. Okay, you see it? We have all that data in the Excel, line by line, right? After that, we can perform another robot to read only what we want exactly, right? So we extract all the odds from the Yahoo Odds website and put in Excel. So guys, bye bye. See you soon and stay tuned.